Welcome to LSI Graph, the leading semantic and contextual SEO tool. Supercharge your SEO with LSI Graph Keyword Research, LSI Graph Keyword Mapper, and LSI Graph Semantic Writer. First up, there's Keyword Research. To get started, simply enter your target keyword, country, language, and press Enter. LSI Graph will show you a keyword overview on the left, the related keywords here, and the SERP analysis and topic clustering on the right. First, you've got your related keywords, which are semantically related keywords that you can include in your content to improve your SEO. You can also search for specific words and filter them based on a criteria like search intent and keyword difficulty. What's unique to LSI Graph is our opportunity score. Opportunity score tells you exactly which keywords to use based on their search volume and difficulty. If you have no idea which keywords to use, you can simply sort by opportunity score to find the low-hanging keywords. Next is the SERP Analyzer. Here, you will see a detailed analysis of the top ranking pages. What is their average word count, their search intent, their readability, and the most amazing of them all, the exact outline of their content. Beside the SERP Analyzer is topic clustering. Here, LSI Graph will automatically group the related keywords in different topic groups. We also tell you the total search volume, average opportunity score, and KD for each of them. The next time you're unsure what topic to write, we've got you covered. Once you're done with your keyword research, you can start writing for your target keyword in Semantic Writer or add them to a project. Let's add a few of these keywords to a project. Once you're inside a project, similar to the keyword research view, you will see the overview on the left and the keywords data on the right. What's nifty? We even tell you the seed keyword for all the collected keywords. And naturally, the ability to filter, share, and export is also present here in the project view. But what I want to show you the most is our keyword mapping tool, Keyword Mapper. In Keyword Mapper, you can drag any keyword from the project to the drawing board and start planning your keyword or content silo. Join them up with a directional arrow. Add in remarks or even labels a line. This is so helpful when it comes to planning and visualizing your content silo. Now that you have mapped your keywords, you want to start writing your content. To do that, just click this button here and it will bring you straight to Semantic Writer with the keyword field. Neat! Semantic Writer is LSI Graph's content optimization tool that helps you write the best content in town. You can start from blank or choose to import content from a live web page. You will receive related keywords that you should be using in your content to improve relevancy. SERP Analyzer shows you how the top pages are positioning their content. Topic clustering helps you select the most relevant keywords. Popular questions shows you questions you should try answering in your content so you too can rank for people also ask. The most frequently linked pages are pages that you should also be linking to. And finally, exact suggestions on what you should do to improve your content SEO. Phew, that's a comprehensive list. What's incredible is that while you make edits based on these pro tips, LSI Graph will update the SEO score in real time. Keep on tweaking your content until you have reached your desired score. Once you're happy, export the content and start publishing. Sounds great, right? But you know what? There's more great stuff down on this page. I'm barely scratching the surface here. LSI Graph has so much more to offer, and I can't cover them all in this short video. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and start driving unstoppable traffic today.